Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the descriptives function to get some descriptive statistics. Now it's not going to give you as many, but we select descriptive statistics, descriptives, and we will put our self-esteem variable here too. Okay, you can select options, and the default is mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Well, we could select sum and variance if we wanted to. All right, and the standard error of the mean, but we're not worrying about that yet. So hit continue. There's no graphing function. Okay. And you don't have a lot of options, but it's good when you want just this mean and the standard deviation, minimum, maximum. It'll spit that out very easily. So that's how to use the descriptives function. I'm also going to show you how to use explore here. So for explore, analyze, descriptive statistics, explore. Okay. Again, we'll select our variable and stick it in the dependent list. We can select statistics, and by default, SPSS is going to give you as many descriptives as you're probably going to want, but you could also get percentiles and outliers and so forth. Next, click on plots. The default is stem and leaf. We're not going to select that, but we can select histogram, which will be appropriate for this data. We use Explore for scale data, right? Then we can hit continue. Here you can select both statistics or plots. Okay, by default, as you will see, SPSS will output a box plot. Click OK. All right, and here we can see the sample size, right? We can see the mean, this 5% trim mean, it's just excluding the outliers, that upper and lower 5%, depending on the distribution. We can have the median, which is the same as the 50th percentile, variance, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, and so forth. And this just all comes automatically. We also see the histogram. Okay, remember, if you double click on it, the graph, you can then add a normal curve if we like. Close, close. Again, we can see that strong negative skew. Okay. Now, SPSS, the explore function of SPSS also outputs a box plot. And again, we can see that it has a negative skew because we can see all these outliers are extreme low scores, and there are no corresponding low scores, no corresponding extreme high scores. And we can see the median here, and this is not equal areas on both sides, the 50th percentile in the both quartiles, right? Okay, so let's clear that, and we'll use a separate video to look at frequencies to get everything. Or I think we already did that, right? Okay.